beautiful biscuits. My name is Supermurgantroid, and you can call me Super. I've been creating content as a soft skills trainer, life coach, employment coach, and a stream coach for the past 7 years. For as long as I can remember, I've always had a goal to help people reach a higher quality of life. When I lost my job as a skills trainer back in 2020 at the beginning of COVID, I became a full-time streamer on Twitch as a creative outlet. I decided to create a positive, welcoming, supportive, and inclusive community show called The Positive Power Hour, a place where we can do anything that chat and I can think of.
1, 2, 3, who, what? Jazz hands, pelvic thrust.
My goal is to create a community that truly grows together by continuously creating and hosting bigger and better opportunities for both creators and for viewers to network together. So what should you expect from the Super Crew? Well, the Super Crew is a powerfully positive force in the Twitchverse. This is where you can expect the unexpected.
Happy Superstar birthday stream!
It's not uncommon that our content is completely derailed, as I love to let chat take over the content. We do crazy challenges almost every week, and we host up to 13 streamers in guest shows such as the Streamer Showcase on Thursdays or the Streamer Gauntlet, which is on Friday nights. Probably one of the most favorite things that happens in our stream when chat completely hijacks the stream and gets something trending on Twitter. Something absolutely crazy like #Fartle. I mean, it's both ridiculous and impressive. No matter what we do, we just enjoy coming together, having some fun, and pooling the positive vibes to give each other a positive boost or break in our day as a crew family. So what am I? I'm a coach for personal or professional growth, whether it's for employment, content creation, or for life. You can find us on social media. We're live every weekday on Twitch at 12 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we also have a Twitter account. And I also have an Instagram account, but I don't use that as much as I'd like, or as much as I should. And I do have a TikTok account that I started, but I don't think that there's anything on it. But I do have plans, so stay tuned. And until we see you next time, be healthy, be happy, be safe, and be super!
Hey y'all, my name is NerdyJane, and I've been a Twitch streamer for about 2 years now. Streaming was always something that interested me. I started watching a few years ago to see what the hype was all about, and I started to watch a few big streamers. To be honest, I really didn't think it was for me. However, I started to watch smaller streamers and games that I actually enjoyed, and that's what I wanted. Evac, thank you so much for that follow. Welcome on into the Nerd Herd. You're now officially a Nerd Herder. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate that. I wanted a community that I could grow with, be a part of, and create a space for people to be themselves in. My goal as a content creator is to make people smile and create a great community. Oh, jeez! We should have done that right! As a member of this team, my goal is to help others succeed. What truly puts a smile on my face is seeing other content creators reach their goals, whatever those goals may be. Whether that's to become partner, go full-time as a content creator, or just share themselves with the world, I want to help and support them through that. I specialize in overlays, transitions, stream add-ons, and stream program setup using OBS, Stream Elements, and Streamlabs. I can't wait to share how-to videos and tips on how to make your stream exactly the way you want it. I don't take commissions at this time on what I specialize in. I'm just here to help. However, I do take commissions on crocheted nerdy hats. Crazy, crazy night. And even some old string. How many peeps per server? Oh God!
I'm a good pilot, I swear.
What you can expect from the Nerd Herd is a place to be yourself, to feel supported, to let your true self out, and to have a mama bear there to accept you for who you are. It's a chill, safe place to relax and unwind after a long day with people that are there to support you. We talk a lot about lore and stories in a variety of different video games, but I just think it's fascinating that the story went from, okay, a serial killer did this, to, okay, a serial killer did this, oh, and by the way, like, it was the guy who started it. Who is Boris? Throughout my first playthrough of the game, I tried to figure out who Boris was. The Boris that is your faithful companion, that Henry calls Buddy, and is eventually twisted into the monstrosity that Susie, Alice Angel, changes him into. And we debate all things nerdy, from comic books to movies to games and more. You can find me on Twitch at NerdyJane, or on Twitter at Jane_nerdy. All the links are in the description.
Well, hello everyone, I'm the Reluctant Hermit. I'm part of the Compendium Creators, and I focus mainly on audio stuff, my dudes. It has been an interesting last year. I got into content creation, and I think the last year, I was messing around on Facebook a little bit for a while, but I realistically have been a content creator only for about a year and a couple months on Twitch, and I got into streaming because I wanted to connect with people and lift people's spirits during a difficult time, because I lost both my jobs during this stuff that is going on right now, and so I decided to find a new avenue to try and share my thoughts and my gifts, and I found Twitch. And over time, my goals shifted from just meeting the new people to wanting to create a culture of individuals that lifts each other up and encourages people to follow their dreams, because, my friends, there's nothing more noble than following your dreams, my dudes. And if that's not a sign from the universe, my friends, that when you feel like giving up, don't. And also now, to create videos that help refine streaming to make things easier, to make it more accessible and fun for everybody to join in the things such as Twitch and everything else that we've got going on. And the things that I'll be able to bring to the table in this group, the Compendium Creators, is I specialize in OBS, DAWs for audio production, and sound alerts and sound design, either for YouTube videos or editing different things. You can reach out to me and ask for help with all those stuff. And I do actually accept commissions. I made raid, bit, sub, gift, sort of any sort of sound design that you need for your Twitch channel or your YouTube videos. I can do that. And what can you experience, my dudes, when you come in to the shrubbery, is what we call our community. It's the most loving chaos you've ever experienced, probably. That's what's been described to me. It's a safe, loving place where we take care of each other and we remind each other that it's a good thing to have a network of friends that can lift you up and make you feel safe and feel loved for who you are, how you are, when you are. And I play a lot of fantasy RPGs, I play music, I sing to people. We even have hidden gem redemptions where you can make me do a chicken dance occasionally. And I also read books in my Discord, and I also record Let's Plays in my Discord, because if I'm going to experience something and create something, I want my friends to take part of it. So you can find me on Twitch, Twitter, Discord, Etsy. I even have some Amazon links. You can just look at The Reluctant Hermit on all of those platforms, and you'll find me. Hope you enjoy our content. Thank you so very much for being here.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is ApexInterfectum. I've been a content creator now for about 2 years. Got my start on Mixer, and then the past year has been spent on Twitch. I initially got into content creation as another way to engage and help build the community. My main goal as a content creator is to actually build out the Pug Empire gaming community in the Discord. You know, I stream mostly as a hobby, as just another way to engage my friends and be able to meet new people. And you'll find out as soon as you come in that, you know, I don't care if it's to one person or 100. We're there to have a good time, laugh, and that's honestly all the success that I need.
I'm gonna subscribe you to every tech support hotline I can think of. Oh, he does not like tech support.
My goal with the Compendium Creators is to be able to help other Twitch streamers, YouTube content creators, or whatever it is that you're interested in becoming more proficient in being able to build out a nice Discord. Every community is a really good place to thrive. We'll talk about software, you know, just features, things you can do, and we're going to try to make some really detailed how-to videos for you guys. And then I really want to focus on mental health, specifically for military veterans. You know, as a veteran myself, I feel that gaming is a very good outlet and a very good stress management tool. So we'll definitely be talking a lot about that. As far as commissions, I currently do accept Discord commissions. So a basic consultation is going to start at about $50. And if you want me to actually come into your server and do the overhaul for you, it's going to start at about $120. It can go up from there just depending on how complex the request is and how much time I think it's going to take. In the Pug Empire gaming community, it's really hard to be able to tell you what to expect. You know, it's a really unique group of individuals in there. So you're going to get a lot of both aggressive personalities, but they're all going to be very real. You know what I mean? Like, everyone in there is super kind, super welcoming.
Yeah, where that finger gun strength at now, huh? You getting arthritis from all them finger guns?
But they're definitely unapologetically themselves, so sometimes it can get a little bit chaotic, but we always have fun.
Fix to roast me.
Oh my god, I can't do that! Hermit, no! All right, the roast of the great hermit. You call yourself Diet Aragorn. I say that you were Aragorn if you ordered him from Wish. The community itself is 18 plus, so please keep that in mind before you click on that Discord link. Right now, I am on 3 major platforms, so you can definitely find me on Twitch. You can find me on Twitter, and you can also find me in Discord. The links are going to be down below in the description, and we'll see you guys in the next video, and hope to see you in the stream, Twitter, or the Discord.
Hi everyone, I am ArkaeicOne. Many of you know me by now as Ark. I've been doing content creation for about 10 or 11 years now, but I only seriously got into producing content and streaming over the last couple of years. I had wanted to produce content for YouTube, but I wasn't sure where I was really going to fit in, so I decided that I was going to play games that I really enjoyed and use those to make Let's Play videos and funny highlight reels that turned into streaming on Twitch, getting to meet some amazing people, which later led to the creation of the Compendium Creators. As you've probably guessed at this point, I am currently the primary editor for the Compendium Creators channel. I really want to show and showcase some video editing tricks that you guys can use, and just showing you how you can take, say, a 3 to 8 hour VOD from your stream and condense that down into either a series of videos or shorts that you can use for YouTube. You can put those on TikTok, you can extend those to Instagram, and really increase the number of platforms that you find yourself on to hopefully be able to build your own communities and establish that bigger audience, or even just learn something fun along the way. So currently I do accept commissions for content creation, whether that be assisting with channel highlights for Twitch, highlight reels that you can share with your communities, editing down clips for TikToks or YouTube shorts or Instagram reels. Feel free to contact me either through the Compendium Creators on YouTube, or you can contact me through any of my social media. As far as what you can expect from the Arkstromo community, we are a very chill yet very silly little corner of the internet. Our biggest goal is just to make sure that everybody feels that they have a safe and comfortable space to hang out, to be able to, say, watch a movie or a TV show every Sunday together.
In chat, you'll find out that we have a really wide range of channel point redemptions that you can activate, each of which is going to trigger its own special animation live on stream. We also have some games that you can use while you're hanging out in chat using a currency that we've started to call credits in the Arkstromo community.
As far as social media, the two that I'm most active on are Twitch and Twitter. You'll be able to contact me at ArkaeicOne. I also have a TikTok and an Instagram, as well as a YouTube channel. All of the links are going to be in the description for you guys. Appreciate you guys for watching. I hope that you're going to be able to enjoy the content that the Compendium Creators as a team is going to be able to produce for you. And as always, you guys stay safe and take care.